Hi, this is Alix Paultre with Open Systems Media and Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here today at the Innodisk booth 1261 at the Embedded World Conference in Nuremberg, and I'm here with Kevin Beck. He's the product manager with Innodisk, and well, memory. It's such a simple thing, yet such a complex thing, right?
That's correct. We see that memory is getting more and more important as we're moving towards an era where we are going to see 5G coming up very soon in our market. So we see in industrial memory that increased capacity will become more and more important. And also stable quality, reduced latency, etc., etc. And that's what Innodisk stands for. So industrial quality for these applications that are going to change our world, basically.
I agree with you completely there, because when you think about it, all of these industrial Internet of Things, artificially intelligent industrial Internet of Things, all that logic, all that processing still have to have the storage somewhere for the memory. Without the memory, it's useless.
That's true, that's true. That's one of the reasons why this year already we are focusing on AIoT, which is basically artificial intelligence and the
Internet of Things.
Internet of Things.
Industrial Internet of Things, yeah.
Exactly. So you have
acronyms there, you know.
You have the Industrial 4.0, you have the Industrial IoT. So AIoT is actually what we're going to see, especially for the new applications that's going to happen with the 5G network, which we will see in vertical markets such as edge computing, server applications, and yeah, so this is going to be big, and it's going to require a lot of data.
Yes.
And all this data needs to be accessed and processed, and our products that we provide are all of excellent quality, and so we are working together with our customers and our partners to give them these solutions for the future.
Can you give us some examples of some of the devices here at the show that you've gotten some good interest on?
Well, actually, one of our products that we have here is we have the 16 gigabyte 266 speed RDIMM VLP modules, which we have introduced this year. Furthermore, we will introduce the 32 gigabyte capacity modules, DDR4, in the first half of 2019 already, with commercial temperature, also at wide temperature, and with ECC function. And the market is really waiting for these modules, so this will be launched in the first half of 2019. It's going to be yeah, really exciting.
I agree with you, Kevin. Now, when you think about that, though, it's interesting that for some applications they say, oh, I don't need a lot of harsh environment, but it's in a consumer where they're going to leave it in the glove box of a car, or they're going to. So, do you see that they're going to need more robustness out of memory, or do you feel that they just need to take the, say, for example, automotive and industrial grade memory and start putting it into consumer devices?
Well, actually, Innodisk is one of the only companies that only focuses on industrial market, and that is important to realize, as we only use high-grade ICs, whereas other competitors, they are also active in the commercial market, so they are capable of using inferior ICs into their products. Innodisk does not do that, so we only have highest quality ICs. Also, for example, all our DDR4 modules are equipped as a standard with an anti-sulfuration feature. This feature has become more and more important for harsh environment, higher temperatures. So we do not offer this as an option. We have it as a standard in all of our modules equipped. So that's the difference between a company that is focused on the industrial market and a company that is also focused on the consumer market.
Thanks, Kevin. And I'm glad for that clarification, because that, as I was saying, I don't even know why they're doing it at the lower levels anyway. Yes, it's cheaper, but memory is just too critical nowadays.
It is, not only quality, but also the service that comes with it. So longevity support is very important. It's very important also to provide PCN and EOL notification on time to our customers, so that they always have the right information on time and in the correct manner. And that's what Innodisk.
The name of the game.
Exactly.
So Kevin, where can people find information about you?
Of course, on our website, innodisk.com. We are here at the Embedded World booth. I am the product manager for the whole European area, so we have a huge sales team ready in Europe to answer all of the customers' questions. Actually, next week we are experiencing our new opening of our new company building in Eindhoven. So that's going to be a big party, and everybody's invited.
Hopefully I'm invited.
Sure.
Thanks a lot, Kevin. I really appreciate you taking the time at a busy show like this to talk to us.
Okay, thank you too.